Okay, so this is my Android app. I wrote this application in Android Studio using the programming language Kotlin. What I created is just something to show that I understand how to make apps and use Kotlin with the Android Studio IDE. So what I did is I made a vending machine app kind of based off of my previous Kotlin learning experience. So I learned this in 2 weeks to just get a grasp of Android Studio. So basically what I did is I have a main activity. It's just got the title here, vending machine text view, and then we've got a button view here. You hit play and it switches over. If we look in the main, so this is the main activities text. That button just as an on-click listener for play, and then it calls this function, which basically switches to the actual vending machine app. So here's all that main code for the actual application, and then here's that XML file. So I've got some pictures in here. How you add money is it's just these buttons here, and then here's your take change button, and then if you want to buy. All of the money values are set to nothing. They just have placeholders in them at the moment. If I run this, we can see how it actually works. I realize all of this could have been better set in a class, but hindsight 2020. So we just have individual buttons, and then we have individual like values for every price, text, and pictures and stuff. This sets the prices and everything. And then down here, this is all the main code. So when you hit buttons, it calls these with the cost and the name sent to it. So whatever button you hit, it calls this function with whatever food and price that you did and makes the calculations. And then take change button is down here. So let's run it. Let's get my emulator going here, and I can kind of demo the app for you. So just to run through the application, this is the play screen, like I showed you before, the XML, just the title and the play button. We hit the play button, and we should get the main application. So here's the main stuff. The money up in that top right hand corner, all of the food items, buy buttons, and now you can see the prices actually have values, or the correct values, and then the inserting of money down at the bottom. So just to run through, let's just insert some money. I'm going to buy something that is too much money. Every button creates toasts, and they change the toast based off of what I press. And so let's just say I buy Doritos, I don't have enough money. Down here it creates a toast that says not enough money. We can do that to almost all of them. And then when we actually buy something that we can afford, up here we have $1.50, $1.25 for Skittles. It says you bought Skittles. And then you see it subtracts, and now we have 25 cents left. We can keep adding some money, and it keeps changing that value up there. So now we've got $3, and we can buy nacho cheese Doritos. You bought nacho cheese Doritos. And we can do that with any of them. Keep adding money and buying things. You bought peanut butter cookies. So the take change button is pretty much exactly what you think. We've got $3.25 left. If we hit take change, we get another toast. Your change is $3.25, and we're left with $0. Basic gist of it, just to show how I understand and can write in Kotlin, and how I can implement that in Android Studio.